Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready because today we're unraveling a truly massive story that's shaking up the crypto world and beyond. We're talking about a billion-dollar deal, the Trump family, and a brand new strategy that could change how big companies invest in digital money. It's fast, it's bold, and it's got everyone buzzing. So buckle up because this is one you won't want to miss. First up, let's talk about the big news. A company called ALT5 Sigma, which basically builds the plumbing for digital money transactions, just made a huge announcement. They're raising a whopping $1.5 billion. Think of it like a massive cash injection for their operations. But here's the twist. A big chunk of that money is going towards buying up a special kind of digital coin called WLFI. Now, this WLFI coin is part of World Liberty Financial, a project with some very well-known ties to the Trump family. In fact, Eric Trump himself is joining the board of ALT5 Sigma to help steer this new digital money ship. This move is all about creating what's called a crypto treasury. Imagine a company traditionally holding cash or gold, but now they're stocking up on digital assets like WLFI tokens. ALT5 Sigma plans to acquire about 7.5% of the total supply of WLFI tokens. To get this done, they're selling hundreds of millions of shares, each priced at about $7.50. This isn't just a simple transaction. It's a strategic play to put a digital asset right at the core of a publicly traded company. And it's not just Eric Trump coming aboard. The co-founders of World Liberty Financial, Zach Witkoff and Zach Folkman, are stepping into key leadership roles at ALT5 Sigma too, signaling a strong alignment between these two big players. Matt Morgan, an advisor to WLFI, is also joining as the Chief Investment Officer, overseeing the investment strategy. Now, you might be wondering, why are they doing this? Well, World Liberty Financial, which launched last fall, has been all about making decentralized finance, or DeFi, easy for everyone. They've even launched their own stablecoin called USD1. The WLFI token, which was initially just for governance and couldn't be traded, is now becoming publicly tradable after a community vote. This means it could soon be available on major crypto exchanges around the world, making it much easier to buy and sell. The idea is to create huge synergies between ALT5 Sigma's payment technology and WLFI's digital money ecosystem. The funds raised will also help ALT5 Sigma settle existing lawsuits, pay off debt, and support its everyday business operations. But is this a genius power play, or are we witnessing a high-stakes gamble? ALT5 Sigma stock price has been on a wild ride. It saw a quick rise of about 10% right after the news, but then it dropped sharply, losing over 26% in a single day. Yet, zoom out a bit, and the stock is still up over 200% in the last year, showing how much interest is bubbling beneath the surface. This kind of volatility highlights the big debate in the market right now. Some see these crypto treasury companies as a way for everyday investors to get exposure to digital assets without having to buy crypto directly. Others are concerned about what they call bubbles and the risks of these companies becoming over-leveraged on volatile digital currencies. This trend of companies holding crypto is really picking up speed. You might remember Strategy, which pioneered this by buying billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. That move pushed their stock's value way up, making it almost a proxy for Bitcoin itself. Strategy now holds over $70 billion in Bitcoin, and its own total value is over $110 billion, while its quarterly revenue is only about $115 million. This means investors are buying Bitcoin at a premium through these stocks. And it's not just Bitcoin anymore. We're seeing companies invest in Ethereum, Solana, and other digital currencies. Even Trump Media, the company behind Truth Social, recently announced they bought about $2 billion worth of Bitcoin for their own treasury. With Bitcoin trading at about $120,000 and Ethereum around $4,600, the crypto market is hot, with its total value exceeding $4 trillion. And speaking of big names, this move comes as the former president has been increasingly vocal about supporting crypto. His administration has introduced policies that are seen as very crypto-friendly, even allowing retirement plans like 401ks to invest in alternative assets, including digital currencies. He's also been actively courting Bitcoin miners. This political backing has spurred significant donations from the crypto industry, totaling over $26 million to his campaigns this year. The idea is that companies closely tied to this political camp might have an advantage in navigating future regulations and policy trends. The Trump family reportedly owns about 40% of World Liberty Financial, and Eric Trump also mentioned that the WLFI community overwhelmingly voted to make the token tradable, a first major step for the project. So, what's next for WLFI and ALT5 Sigma? The goal is to get the WLFI token listed on major centralized and decentralized exchanges, aiming for global governance reach and liquidity. Some analysts are even predicting that WLFI could hit 50 cents or even $1 after it starts trading, which could mean a huge return for early investors. But remember, with high potential comes high risk. Critics are watching closely, questioning whether the branding and political ties might overshadow the actual execution and value of the project. It's crucial to understand that while these crypto stocks offer a new way to engage with digital assets, they also carry unique risks, including price swings and the need for strong underlying value beyond just hype. The initial sales of WLFI tokens reportedly generated about $550 million, attracting big investors, including Justin Sun, who put in about $75 million. In this evolving landscape where politics, finance, and cutting-edge technology are converging, deals like this one from ALT5 Sigma and World Liberty Financial are definitely pushing boundaries. It's a bold experiment that could either pave the way for a new era of financial freedom or serve as a reminder that in crypto, excitement often comes before real-world utility. As an investor, it's vital to stay informed, research thoroughly, and always diversify your investments. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, especially in such volatile markets. All right, that's it for today's breakdown of this massive crypto and corporate story. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next big update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.